Birds are sleeping well, aqua.
A total of 11 species of vultures are responsible for cleaning up to 70% of the continent's area. So without these amazing birds, we humans would be in a lot of trouble.
But all over the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious beliefs. The only way to save these birds from extinction is through conservation efforts. So everybody, let's take a moment and give a round of applause to these amazing birds to keep our environment safe.
Now today we have met raptors and the scavenger bats, these kings of the skies and the walkers of our earth. Now, they are all a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. So if we lose them, we would be losing a part of our family.
So that, thank you everybody for coming down today, and let's do our part to live in harmony with all predators on wing.
Right with that, once again, thank you so much for joining us here today. Let me tell you about the next program. Right here at Sky Amphitheatre at 11:30 a.m. We have Wings of the World, where you get to catch parrots, hornbills, and flamingos. So don't forget.